So you haven't started an ATM business yet because you are going to move soon. That's what this video is all about. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that'll provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why do you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? It's going to be different for everybody. A lot of folks that watch this channel want to quit their 9-to-5 jobs. Then you got the folks that want to supplement their retirement, or this might be their start of their retirement. Then you got the folks that are tired of putting out tons of cash to make a decent ROI and would like to put out less cash to make a decent ROI. And then you got the folks that are looking for generational wealth, legacy wealth, right, for their kids and grandkids and great-grandkids. Then you got people that want that consistent passive income and those big chunks of cash for reasons I don't know, because it's personal to them, right? You might check off several boxes. That's cool, but that's why I'm here. That's why I'm making these videos. And listen, if you want me to help you, right? If you want me to help you reach your goal, your ultimate goal faster, then I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, click the link in the description, right? Enter your email, watch a training video on the next page, and then book a call with my team and see if you and I will be a fit to work together. All right? I'm going to help you reach your goals much, much, much faster, and also save you some headaches and some money in the meantime. Okay? Now, before we go anywhere, I need you to please give me some thumbs up. Give me some likes. Give me a thumbs up, please. Come on. Come on. It's going to be a good video. And also, there's a... Hello, Spencer Buck. This is my boy, Spency. You're so good. You're such a good boy. I think there's an ATM in this corner, right? Or maybe it's this corner. I don't know. There's an ATM one of these corners. Again, I'm on the couch, so I'm a little discombobulated. It's not my normal spot. So I don't know where the ATM is, but click the ATM in one of these corners, right? Subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification. Select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. You too, buddy. All right? I'm here with you. Come here. Come on. Come be on the video. I know you want my attention. It's okay. All right. So you're like, Carey, I like the idea of an ATM business. I'm intrigued by that, an ATM business. I'd really like an ATM business, but I'm not going to start one because I'm going to move soon. Well, maybe you're going to move to a different state, right? Like my wife and I did. As soon as Joe graduated high school, our goal was to move to the beach, right? Now, we didn't, I think we did it maybe a year or two after he moved because we were in the process of looking. But anyways, we knew that we were moving to the beach after he graduated high school, right? So maybe you're in the same situation. Maybe you and your wife have decided, you know what? Once the kids are graduated, we're going to move to wherever. I don't know, Nebraska. I don't know why you moved to Nebraska. I don't know. Maybe you like Nebraska. I have no idea. Maybe you got family there or whatever, right? You're moving to wherever. And you're like, you know what? I can't start an ATM business now because in a year from now, we're going to move. And what am I going to do? What's the point? That's the point. I'm not going to start this. Or maybe this. Listen, maybe you're in the military. Maybe you're in the military and you're like, oh my God, I might get deployed somewhere else. Then what am I going to do? Why would I start an ATM business now? Right? I need to wait until I'm done in the military. No. Stop right now, okay? You don't need to wait until you're done in the military to start your ATM business. You don't need to wait until your kids graduate college or whatever other else thing you're waiting for before you move. You don't need to wait to start your ATM business till you move. I'm going to tell you why. Because there's things that you can do. Like you literally, if you wait, okay, let's say it's going to take 2 years before you're out of the military. Or let's say it's going to take 2 years before your kids graduate from high school and then you're going to move. And maybe it's going to take 5 years before you're out of the military and then you know you're not going to be deployed anywhere, okay? If you don't start your ATM business for 2 years or for 5 years, whatever your situation, right? Insert your number. Sorry, I played pickleball today and I'm a mess. Insert whatever number is that's stopping you from starting your ATM business. If you don't start your business, your ATM business until then, you're missing out on all of that passive income and big chunks of cash in small timers. So if you say 2 years, I'm not going to start one for 2 years, you're missing out on 24 months of passive income. 24 months of passive income that you are giving up because you're making some silly excuse that, I'm going to move in 2 years, so I can't start an ATM business now. Guess what? You can start an ATM business now, make 24 months of passive income, and still move. I'm going to share with you how, because we did it, okay? You can be in the military, get deployed every year or whatever, and still make 5 times 12. Oh my God, 60 months of passive income. You can still make 60 months of passive income while you're in the military, being deployed in all these different places, and still have that ATM business. Still make that money, right? Okay? Please, 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 please. I'm begging you. Stop using the excuse of, I'm going to move, or, I get moved around too much in the military. I can't start my business now. Stop it. Yes, you can. You are denying yourself and your family passive income because of just an excuse you're giving yourself. And it's a nonsense excuse. It's nonsense, okay? I'm going to tell you why. So Kathy and I, as I said, we decided to move to the beach. We ended up moving here October of 2019. Now, what happened is not all our machines warranted us keeping and filling them when we lived 2 hours away, right? So what did we do? Some of the machines, we sold to the business owner. Some of the machines, B, we struck a deal with the business owner, and now instead of me filling the machines, the business owner fills the machines. Some of the machines, C, we took out and we brought to the beach with us and we placed somewhere down here. Okay? Then you have D, you can pay a cash vaulter to fill the machines and keep the machines in place. C, cash vaulter / you can have a family member. Like if let's say you're in the military, right? And you have these machines placed and they're making you money and you're like, oh shit, I'm going to be deployed. If you have a trusted family member or friend, have them handle it while you're gone. You know what I mean? Have them handle it. But if you're moving permanently at some point, like we moved permanently to the beach, right? You can move the machines. You can sell the machines. You can get the owners to fill the machines. You can get a cash vaulter, right? There are options. So there is zero reason for you to not start an ATM business because you think you're going to move in the future. Zero reason, right? And there's plenty of consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames, reasons why you should start an ATM business right now, even though you know at some point in the future you'll be moving. Does this make sense? Right? There are options for you. There are options for you. You start that ATM business, get that passive income machine cranking, making you passive income. And then when it gets close to time to move, then you start making a plan with the business owners, right? Or with a cash vaulter, or maybe it's a great location because it's down the street from you. But if you're moving 2 hours away like we did, it's going to be a sucky location. So you tell the business owner, hey, you can either buy this from me or I'm taking the machine out. You get what I'm saying? Please do not neglect yourself and your family and prevent yourself from collecting passive income for something that is just an excuse, and it's a false belief. That's what it is, right? It's a false belief. It's not a real excuse. It's not a real reason not to start an ATM business. Okay? I hope this makes sense. So again, to recap, there's no reason whatsoever that you can't start your ATM business now. Whether you're going to move in a year or 2 or 5, or whether you're in the military and you're going to get deployed in a year or a month or whatever, right? There's no reason, right? There are things that you can do when that time comes to handle the ATM machines in your ATM business. In the meantime, you can collect that passive income, right? Collect that passive income. It's yours for the taking. Go out there and grab your share of it, all right? Okay? All right, so listen, if you got any questions about this, post them below. Ideas for future videos, post them below, all right? And again, if you like me to help you start your ATM business, I'm going to help save you time. Like your ultimate goal, I'm going to help you save time to get to that ultimate goal. Just click the link in the description below, enter your email address, watch that training video on the next page, book a call with my team. Together, you guys will figure out if you and I will be a fit to work together. All right, I hope this all made sense. All right, don't pass up passive income with silly little excuses that aren't real. Okay, they're not real. You're just trying to mess with your head. No more messing with your head. Okay, go get that passive income. Okay. All right, Carey Buck here signing off. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Oh, wait. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video. Like the video and click that ATM in the corner or corner over there, whatever. It's that silver ATM in the corner. Click it, hit that bell notification, hit the all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it, okay? Carey Buck signing off here. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon, and may you live happily off of passive income. Hey, Carey Buck here. I hope you enjoyed that last video. If you got any questions or comments or even ideas for future videos, just post that below, okay? And do me a big favor. If you have not done so already, give me some thumbs up, some likes for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and select always